All right, so let's take a time out and explain what the College of Automotive Management is and what your mission is for the College of Automotive Management.
Yeah, the college is unique. It's the only place on the planet where you can go online and learn these careers as a vocation. We're the world's premier, that means first, lending and management school. And our model is a little bit different. We do have subscription plans for dealers, but we're looking to help the individual. And so the individual comes to us, they pay for their own training. We develop them into the career position that they want. If they want to be a work by appointment only type salesperson that has a book of business and like that job description, we will help them achieve that goal. If they want to be the next candidate considered for the next promote from within position into a sales management or F&I position, we will prepare them for that job before they get it. They become the most qualified candidate for that interview, even over an experienced individual, because we have the ability and the luxury to teach it all right. The case studies and the mock events, the desking deals, looking at bureaus, going through the software on desking, going through the software on F&I. We're using the software the dealership's using. So we're doing the job function. We're giving them the process that equals the most amount of success based on what we've learned from watching really successful dealers for 29 years. We borrow their successful processes or they donate them, like you're donating content about aftermarket sales that's best practices. The mind doesn't know the difference between a thought process and actual experience for the process of learning. You know, my father told me that it's true. Yeah. So you can learn how to do something by going through the thought process, having somebody go through it with you, leading you through step by step, testing, confirming understanding, and doing that frequently through the process. And you can come out highly skilled.